Once again I am before you after a gap of 1 week with a new topic, equations of motion. There are 3 equations of motion. First equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT. Second equation of motion, S equal to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square. And third equation of motion, V square equal to A square plus 2AS. Here, these symbols U, V, A and T, S have usual meaning. This means U equal to initial velocity, V equal to final velocity, A equal to acceleration, T equal to time and S equal to distance or displacement. And all of you know these terms. Okay. Now how to derive this equation of motion graphically? This means graphical method to derive this equation of motion. I will explain one by one. First of all, I have to derive first equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT. You have to take the help of graph to derive the formula V equal to U plus AT. I have to plot a graph between velocity and time. Time is taken in x-axis and velocity is taken in y-axis. Suppose that an object starts to move with initial velocity u represented by OP. After t time represented by OS or PR, its velocity becomes v represented by QS. This means OP, initial velocity, this is equal to SR, because you know that opposite sides are equal in rectangle. That's why OP equal to SR या RS. SQ equal to SQ, final velocity, that is V, and OS equal to PR, that is time. OS equal to PR equal to T. From the graph, you know that SQ equal to SR plus RQ. See the graph. QS is a line segment. QS or SQ equal to RS plus QR. So I have written here SQ equal to SR plus RQ. You know that SQ equal to V. I have mentioned here SQ, V. So V equal to SR. This means U plus RQ. This is equation of motion. First part, that is 1. Equation 1. You know from the definition of acceleration, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, which I have explained in my previous class. So A equal to change in velocity by time. A equal to RQ by PR. Here I have drawn extra graph, that is velocity time graph. This is the slope of the velocity time graph. Slope of velocity time graph represents the acceleration. So A equal to AB by OB. Initial velocity is 0 here and AB is the final velocity. So if you want to calculate a very simple AB by OB, which represents the acceleration. In this way, I have written with the help of this triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, A equal to QR or RQ by PR, likewise this. So RQ equal to A into PR, and you know that PR equal to T, so RQ equal to A into T, equation 2. Now we have to put the value of RQ in equation 1. V equal to U plus RQ. In place of RQ, I have to substitute A into T. So V equal to U plus AT. This is first equation of motion, and in this way we can derive it graphically. This means with the help of graph. First equation of motion is the relationship among 4 quantities: final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and time. This means out of the 4 quantity, if 3 quantities are given, we can easily calculate the 4th quantity. Suppose that in this equation, if u is given, a and t are given, we can easily find out v. So v equal to u plus at. This is the graphical derivation of first equation of motion. In my next class, I will derive second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus 1 by 2h square. Graph will be same, no any change. Thank you.